How to find and see all the images on Zoom chat or channel. So first thing, go to Zoom. This is the home page. This is the home page as you can see. Now let's just choose any channel right here. I'm going to choose this one. Now let's say that you want to see the images on this conversation or channel. All what you have to do is go here in the top corner, and here you go. Now right here you will find many options, and here is the images option. Now right here you will find all the images that shared in this chat will appear here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.